Hey there, New Princess Auto Flyer. Let's see what we have. Starting off warm, we've got this space heater here, 29 bucks. Double pack of moving blankets here for 10 bucks. 4-inch vise here for 30 bucks. This heat gun's half off at 15 bucks. Got a shelving unit for 56 bucks. And they're really pushing these moving blankets, it looks like. Got a whole whack of different heaters here. Got a drill for 23 bucks. You can turn that into a pump. Garbage can with locking lid, 25 bucks. And winter's coming, so get your brushes and shovels here. For only 1,500 bucks, you can pretend to be Captain Picard. Hey, this thing's back again. Not too late to try to get a pet squirrel for only 13 bucks. 1,000 Imperial cotter pins for 750. And 144 metric ones for 450. A 5x7 mesh cargo net for 12 bucks. 120 mini fuses for 8.99. Got a 3.7 liter hand cleaner here for 20 bucks. And a 64 ounce for 8 bucks. Not sure why they decided to change the unit of measure here. Also got 3.7 liters of degreaser for 10 bucks. 11-foot drywall hoist here for 250 bucks. Manual impact driver for 15 bucks. 4-sided sharpening stone, 15 bucks. Not quite a 6-inch magnetic tray for only 3 bucks. Battery powered folding work light for 15 bucks. Parts drawer for 20 bucks. Got a tool bag for 6 bucks. Foldable workbench for 50 bucks. Moving dolly for 12 bucks. Got a hand cart for 45 bucks. Got a scaffold here for 130 bucks. Flame resistant shirt here for 45 bucks. High vis Canadian hats here for 20 bucks. Got a brush set for 2 bucks. Got some welding goggles here for 25 bucks, though I do recommend you still have a face shield if you're using this thing. Got 4 liters of cutting oil here for 25 bucks. Pneumatic needle scaler for 45 bucks. Got a 5-gallon gravity feed sandblaster here for 100 bucks. Got a cordless drill here for 60 bucks. 320-piece titanium bit set for 60 bucks. In the surplus section, we've got this cutting mat here for 9 bucks. Not sure if this bucket comes with a lid. If it does, it's a good deal for $4.79. Got one of these LED therapy lamps here for 10 bucks. Got a grounded inline power switch here for 4 bucks. 6-piece wire wheel set here for 5 bucks. Little mini screwdriver with 30 bits for 6 bucks. Got a Stanley laser level as well here for 100 bucks. 1,000 feet of caution tape for 5 bucks. And that's the end of the flyer. Thanks for watching. And remember, keep an emergency kit in your car. Winter's almost here. See ya.